This recipe is more than 200 years old, but it is still a favorite today and such a classic that we find it in many homes across the world. And this is macaroni and cheese. And we will start off with melting some butter. Yan, medyo generous yung butter natin. 4 tablespoons of butter. Yan, melt it. And I have my garlic. I will just saute my garlic. Grate lang natin yung garlic. Very easy. I just want to brown my butter a little. Not too much. Nice flavor. Yan. And I will add milk. So this is 5 cups of fresh milk. Let that boil. This recipe is so easy to do. As soon as your milk begins to simmer, just add the macaroni noodles. So we're using 500 grams of elbow macaroni noodles. Yan. Just add it there. Season with a little salt. Not too much because we're adding so much cheese, but we have to season it. Good enough. Around half a teaspoon of salt. And just let that simmer. Bango. Yan. So we just cover it and let it cook for 8 minutes. Our macaroni has been boiling for around 4 to 5 minutes and it's beginning to thicken. Just mix it para sigurado tayong walang crust na buo sa ilalim. And we will cover it again and cook it for another 3 to 4 minutes. And our noodles have been cooking for around 8-9 minutes. And look at that, no? The milk has been absorbed. Pero we are going to add 3 kinds of cheeses. Kaya ito siya, sobrang cheesy. Kikiligin ka talaga nito. Yan. So, we add here our cream cheese. Ito. Cream cheese. 1 cup of cream cheese. We add cheddar cheese. And we also add, ito siya, quick melt cheese. Yan. Look at that, no? Amazing. Super cheesy. Cheesy talaga to. Yan. Let it all come together. As your macaroni cooks, your cheese is melting. To give it a little kick, I will just add a little bit of cayenne pepper, around 1/4 teaspoon or so. Spread it around. Yan. Very nice heat. Stir it. Combine everything and my macaroni and cheese is done. Let it cook for a minute. I can't resist. Titikim na ako. Konti, di ba? Yan. Titikim na ako. Look at that. Wow. If you love cheese, eto na talaga siya. You will fall in love with this recipe. Masasarap pa siya if we add a little bit more butter towards the end to give it a very nice shiny finish. Last toss. Yan, luto na ito. Yan. And our macaroni and cheese is done. Masarap to. You have a barbecue, ribs, chicken. Ito, kids' favorite to for sure. Ito, you can make this ahead of time and just microwave it, no, for a midnight snack. Imagine this for midnight snack. Yan. To serve, even more cheesier with parmesan cheese. Hi, eto, over the top and konting fresh parsley kunwari para it looks beautiful. And here it is, our macaroni and cheese prepared for you today. Try it at home. Simpol!